Dude, it's definitely like, it's an interesting snow. Oh, look at this field,
yeah,
dude.
Just bomb through here, and we're gonna go down to where the trees start again. So
Dude.
it's not that long, but the snow's gonna be fantastic.
Let's go. Oh, Nielsen surfing today. Love it. Woohoo! Oh my gosh! Let's go! Woohoo! Yo, that was so good. Oh my god! Yeah! That's pretty good frickin' snow. Dude, what is this? Oh man. baby!
Let's go. Touring is the answer.
Good.
Touring
Yes,
is
God,
the
dude.
answer. Make a stop, and then once we're all three together.
What a day. Huh, Nielsen? What a day.
What a day, man. I freaking love touring.
What a
I've been like,
Man, it's just sugary. You hear this? It's just sugar. Oh, yeah. Woohoo! Woohoo! Let's go, dude.
yeah.
Let's go, dude. Yeah, look at them turns. You're like a good old Taylor turn. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, it's butter. It's so good.
Just skied that. Down to there. All right, here goes the last descent of the day.
Good?
Yeah. This looks sick.
Oh, yeah, it's so good.
Dang, he got a nice line for sure. Later. Oh yeah! Woohoo! Oh boy. Gotta love the death wish with the moose.
Yeah, buddy!
Oh boy.
You almost didn't.
Gotta love the death wish with the moose.
Almost didn't ride that out.
Thick snow in there.
Oh yeah. Yo,
That is some turns right there, baby. Just beautiful. That was awesome.
Oh baby.